All right, so this morning we are assembling the Phoenix Rising 3-joint pack. We're going to start with this piece. I'm going to use a pen to break it. Once it's broken, I'm going to pre-break the bottom. One trick to this is if you put a bow in the front of this panel, this is going to engage a lot better. Do the same thing on this side. Again, I start with the bottom one, it just helps the box form first. So I put a slight pre-break in these, just a slight pre-break in the top tucks.
Give that half the car. What the heck is that? No, that's wet client. Your hair's all wet. Oh, sorry. Hey, turn the volume off on that thing.
So when assembling these pieces, you want to make sure that you have a seam to the seam. Again, when you're doing this, just do a slight pre-break. Don't fold them all the way down, or they're gonna make them too weak and they won't engage. You want to start with the back ones first, the one by the seam. Make sure all the orientation of the reed is correct. Again, the last piece, just make sure it's seam to seam. The trick with these tucks is just to ease them in evenly. If you get one side going too fast, it's going to end up bending it. So just take your time with that and you'll feel it start to slide in when it should. Again, it's just getting it evenly. Again, when I do that, I line up the glue seam. The short box, it helps to put your finger in and hold the opposing dust flaps solid so that you don't push them in.